After nearly 10 years and over 85 content packs later, The Sims 4 is showing its age, and not in a charming way. Hey GadInsiders, welcome back to your favorite tech and gaming hub. The game's been battling a wave of bizarre bugs, from ghost children who died of heat stroke to mutated pets shape-shifting after aging up. Now, after a particularly glitchy summer, including an out-of-nowhere pregnancy epidemic, EA is finally stepping in with a bold promise of 2 full months of bug fixes and quality-of-life updates. EA kicked things off this week with a chunky patch, introducing a new kids play park, a pretend play interaction, and a memory boost feature to help with performance. But the real star is the increased number of bug fixes. The patch deals with long-term frustrations like Sims teleporting mid-animation and cursed pet deformities. It's a start, but fans are still watching where it goes. Now the company is telling players to vote for the next bug that we want to fix in for the October follow-up patch. It's giving hope to the players that their voices are actually being heard. But as players praise the cleanup, many are wondering whether it's time to simply move on. The Sims wasn't built to be a decade-long live service, and its patchwork growth has left a wobbly foundation. So what about The Sims 5? Currently being called Project Renee, it's reportedly in development, but EA leadership says a full reset would be unfair to loyal fans. For now, The Sims 4 continues to crawling forward in designer shoes and a shiny new patch. But many are asking the same question: how long can EA keep fixing a game that's already broken? Subscribe to GadInsider for more updates.